Lamium is a flowering plant in the mint family, and it's native to Europe and Asia. It's a popular ground cover due to its attractive foliage and flower. It's a low-growing perennial, hardy in zones 3 to 8, and it usually doesn't get any higher than 6 to 8 inches, and has creeping stems that root as they spread. And the yellow Lamium that I got at a greenhouse years ago. When I went in there, this guy had it in pots and just growing all over the place, and so I just bought one of these hanging pots with Lamium, and it has since spread all over the place. Things I like about Lamium is if you don't want it, it's easy to plant flowers in it, whereas unlike some other ground covers, they're hard to control, especially vinca. But Lamium is a nice ground cover, but you can still grow your plants in it and keep it under control, and if you don't want it, it's easy to pull up. So I would recommend Lamium. It's a nice ground cover. It's attractive to bees and butterflies and pollinators.